165. His name is Vane. His name is Vane. Yo, one excited for the night. Got to be the dope MC, the rock, my mic. Now what's your name? And what you do? I set my lips on your brain and blow it down.
Oh, hey, okay, it's Vane. Yeah, Zulu, what up?
What up?
Check.
Let's go!
There ain't no Vane. Yo, I'm off the hinges, off the meat rack. See me in the Benz with the seat back.
Let's go!
One bag chicken, one street cat. Yeah, he only move when I tell him where the beef at.
Let's go!
Yeah, see my chicken say, I just wish I could eat that.
Let's go!
Hey, mom, if they where the beef at, I suggest you fall back, blow some trees black, cause you messing with some lunatic veterans, and I ain't take my
Pick it up!
They ain't better than a lot of them. Let me get lotto figures, stay with it. Hot like my motto, the ice floor is yours tainted, and the wrist so cold they need a blanket.
That's right!
I invest them dead presidents, they working, I don't gotta pay them. I pass hot, I'm Satan. I come for that chick and that head gets seven.
Let's go!
That's why they hiding out like buried treasure. The flows unmeasured. Instead they think they nice in the vein. I'm like 10 light years nicer than Wayne. So what you saying? Go to the Martian. My DG shades is the largest. And the rip look like some landing when I park it. Y'all credit card charging, my dough come often. The chick blowing on my wrist to see a frost come off.
Come on!
Your flow crazy, mine lost it. Me and Zulu in the Porsches. On the van testing out the horses.
Oh!
Hit up your van with the torches.
Oh!
Richmond, what's good? It's Vane, DJ Jazzy Joyce, Zulu, we out here.
Gotta hear what that bullshit clear. Finesses like the blank, we having a good yeah. How you like them apples? You don't? Take cider. Took your girl, made her cervix a lot wider. Envy, my style is a gift from God. You the best on earth cause I was on the shuttle to Mars. You navigating cars, I'm in a chick with a top chick, with a Star Trek chick. And I'm getting my cock to the early morning yawn and bring beef to your grill harder than Joe's phone. You ain't a thug, you a state and phony. Full of shit like a broke gas station toilet. I'm slick with the tongue. You think I oiled it, I'm so hot, you put an egg in it and boil it. Woo! What these young cats trying to prove, man? Take that bitch like slime in school, man. They Disney, messing with me. Way out your park walk like bitches if I can grippy. Fakes and snakes, Jazzy, we on them like Ricky Ticky. Tabby, damn, I used to run in his hood. I might be his daddy. 804-345-1065, Cypher. Oh.
The Cypher with
gunshot
words occupy a diameter, delivering flows, punchlines, and metaphors. We now have the Cypher.
Zulu is reckless, yo. He said I'm probably his daddy.